Kambuni ya Directline kugerera wakiri Dansan Omari yerekeirie maruru mayo kuri komishona wa ruhonge rwa kuramata kambuni cia insurance Godfrey Kiptum uria yugite ni iranyitanira na andu aria marenda kwigwatira kambuni ino mugaru wa watho.
Mr. Kiptum held an informal meeting with SK Macharia and Ms. Macharia and other government operatives, and it was agreed that the CR12 that generates fraudsters as shareholders of Directline be rectified. This was a decision that was conveyed to the Minister for Finance, Honorable Waziri Mbadi. This is a decision that was conveyed to all relevant arms of government.
And there is a need that him, Mr. Godfrey Kiptum, as the director, as the CEO of the IRA, should regularize his records, should ensure that the people who are the direct beneficiaries of Directline Assurance Limited should be indicated in the CR12 of the company registry.
Omari arauga uthuthuria wothe ni wonanitie Dagitari SK Macharia niwe mwene kambuni ino na ngucanio ya utongoria icungiriirie kambuni ino korwo ni ciringi bilioni 7.
So SK Macharia is worried in the event an accident happens, where will the money come from to compensate those Kenyans who will get hurt in that accident if it happens. So we have provided evidence to show that the shareholding should revert to SK Macharia and Ms. Macharia.
Kambuni ino riwihete Kiptum mathaa 24 akorwo ekite mogaruruku ma wandikithia wa ene kambuni ino kwaga uguo mwa ikinya ria watho.
If Mr. Kiptum thinks for whatever it is that he wants to continue assisting people who have fraudulently found themselves as directors of Directline Assurance Limited, if he wants to continue assisting them, then there are going to be very serious consequences to that effect, because we are going to ensure that we are not going to sue IRA as an institution or as a government agency alone. We are going to ensure that we take stern action against the person of Mr. Kiptum.
He will have to hire his own advocates to defend him. The Attorney General will not defend him, because this one is an act of corruption. We have equally notified the EACC to start investigating one Kiptum and also investigate the people at the company registry.
Kiambiririni kia mweri uyu maofitha ana agathi ya iguru ni marugamirio wira ni undu wa kwaga kuhitukia marihi matetikiritio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Gathoni wa Njihia.